Why not? Why not?
Kick.
Why not? And it's your free.
I need you some true competition.
Everybody shake your baby.
Why not? Hi everyone, welcome to Why Not? It's your girl Wylondria, and I want to thank all of you for coming in today. Before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you have notifications every time that I post. Please also share with everyone so my channel can grow. Go over to Tyra's Big World of Flavor. Hey, this is Tyra's Big Flavor, and do the exact same for her. And happy morning! Y'all know I say morning when I don't know what day it is, because I'm trying to be ahead. Okay, I'm trying to do this. I think it's Tuesday. I think. That's what I think. But I don't know. But it's a morning. I don't know. It could be afternoon. You know, I changed my time. Yo, I'm just over here. I'm just getting off work. So, hey, I still got work on the brain. But first, I want to thank everyone for coming in and watching. And you see what the title is. I am doing a challenge by Big Belly Bob. A burrito the size of your head. Y'all know I got a big head, so you know I could not do that. I got as close as the size of my head as I could. Okay. So it has beef, grilled onion, peppers, mushroom, lettuce, salsa, cilantro, fresh jalapeno, pickled jalapeno, sour cream, and it also has chipotle. So I have, and rice and beans. So all of that's on my burrito. I know he said 6 items, 6 or 7. I've surpassed that. And if you know, I normally get it in an earmuff, which is a bowl, but I'm doing the burrito challenge today. And the challenge really is, I think he said 5 minutes. I'm not the big dog, so I don't have to do the big dog challenge, but I'm going to try the 5-minute challenge. So y'all know it's going to be a challenge within the challenge to make sure I don't talk. How many of y'all think I'm going to make that challenge? I'm going to try my best. I got my chips over here on the side. If I see I'm at 5 minutes and it just ain't going nowhere, I'm just going to stop and talk to y'all. How about that? Yeah, so Big Belly Bob, I am here doing your challenge. Y'all know I'm still not conditioned for a challenge, but I'm going to do it. All right, so, let me see. All right. Oh, let me go ahead and get this open. It ain't going to help to get no time right and your food ain't ready. So y'all see this. This is it. I think that's about the size of my head. Okay? So if you are ready, is y'all ready? That's what I say, is y'all. And go. Y'all, that's my time. I think I did good. I beat my own challenge. I was quiet. And I know stuff stuck in my teeth. And y'all, all the goodness on this side, I was trying to mix it all together. That's like the sauces and stuff over there. The meat and rice and beans over here. But all the sauces over there, so... I couldn't get it together. But y'all, it did good. I'm proud of myself. I might be able to compete one day. For sure. Very little spillage. Yeah, my clothes mess up, but... But it actually, I'm thinking, if I do this, I wasn't going to be able to really taste my food. I was wrong. It was delicious. Actually, by me savoring it, that's why I get full so fast. You think? That could be it, y'all. I probably wouldn't be able to do this bottle. Get wet. Nope. The whole meal would have been messed up. But yeah, this was delicious. This actually came from Moes. It's Moes Monday. So thank goodness you did this challenge, because I was able to do it on Moes Monday, where the food is discounted. Because y'all know I normally get the bowl. But I did get one. That's for my lunch tomorrow. We can kind of like warm that up. Yeah, I wouldn't have been able to eat out at the bottom of this anyhow. And the good thing is, I didn't eat lunch today. I had breakfast, but I didn't eat lunch. And see, that Chipotle really tops it off. That's so good. Alright, y'all. Although did not make the 5-minute mark, I think I did good. Yes, I did. I think I did. Didn't conquer it, but a big improvement from before. I thank all of you for being here. Thank you, Big Belly Bob, for always coming up with some great ideas and some great challenges. Thank all of you for being here. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notification every time that I post. Please also share this video with everyone so my channel can grow. Go over to Tyra's Big World of Flavor and do the same for her. And why not? Do your best and try not to talk. Love you.